Hello students, in CBSE classes today we will understand about the chapter The Lost Child. It is the first chapter of the book Moment, which is a supplementary reader book from the English Language and Literature class 9. The writer of the story is Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand is a famous writer in English. He belongs to Indian zone. He has written many famous stories like Untouchables, Coolie, and many more. The Lost Child highlights a child's love for his parents. In this story, this is a spring season. There is a fair in the nearby village. The child is very happy because he is going to the fair with his parents. He is very excited and happy. The child is very much fascinated from the natural beauty around him. On reaching the fair, the child sees many things nearby in the village, in the fair. He wants to purchase many things, but he does not ask for these things to his parents because he knows that his parents cannot afford these. When he hears the play of Snake Charmer, he gets attracted towards them. The music really was appreciated by him, but this kind of music was not approved by the parents. So the child carry on with his parents. On seeing the merry-go-round, the child could not resist and expressed his first desire to have a ride on it. But there was no reply. The child searched for his parents here and there. Actually, he was lost. He started crying bitterly. In searching his parents, he went towards the temple. There was a big rush on the temple. He was pushed back in the temple. A kind-hearted man looked at the child and picked him in his arm. He tried to soothe the child by offering many things which he wanted earlier with his parents. But now the child is showing no interest in these things. The man tried his best to calm the child, but the child is not giving any response and he kept crying. Now these things have lost their charm for the child, and the child wants only his parents. So that's all the summary. The message highlights that the role of parents in a child life is above all. Nothing in the world can replace parents. A child feels comfortable whenever he is with his parents. So we all should have a great dignity and respect for our parents. And that's all for the chapter. And I hope you will learn much from the chapter, and we will meet soon. Thanks so much.